हाँस्नु छैनन् कदापि नारीहरूले, हाँस्नु छैनन् कदापि नारीहरूले, वैश्या हुने हाँस्दछ। So I am not a very poetically advanced person. क्या हो मलाई पोएम्सहरु नि त्यस्तो म बुझ्नु सक्दिन हो. For me whatever rhymes is poem. Like कुनै चीज राइम गर्दैछ भने that is poem for me. हो like दारू 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 जोना माचे उसको मारू poem for me. आदि कवि ढिंचाक पूजा हैन. गधे के पूत यहाँ न मूत, poetry with social message. I thought आज यहाँ पूरा बारिश हुँदैछ. मुख ड्राई भएको अघि थुकेको विचार शावर भइसकिन्छ. ठीक है इन्द आज वेट ड्रिम्स मात्रै आउँछ. So I was talking about so I thought I'll change a little हैन. अब म आफ्नो पोएट्रीलाई अलिकति म पोएम्सहरु पढ्छु हैन. So I started reading भानुभक्तको पोएम्स. ओके अब आफ्नो नेपालीमा एउटा मजाको पोएम्सहरु सिक्छु हैन. So I started with his most underappreciated work that is called Vadhu Shiksha. Okay, Vadhu Shiksha. Vadhu Shiksha is basically Bhanubhakta telling women how to behave, what to do हैन. So म त्यसको एक दुईवटा लाइन तपाईहरुले पढेर सुनाइदिन्छु हो. So it starts with him saying कि प्रातः काल उठेर ध्यान भगवानको गरौँ. This is him telling women what to do हैन. प्रातः काल उठेर ध्यान भगवानको गरौँ, which is nice हैन. बिहान उठेर यसो भगवानलाई सोच्दा हैन, which is nice हैन. Which women can do, men can't. Okay, because the first thing that men have to deal with when they wake up is their boner. Like thinking about God while having boner. Now the second line, now it gets interesting. Okay, now women please listen to this. So ईश्वर पति हुन् भनेर त्यो भक्ति पतिमा धरुन्. So ईश्वर पति हुन् भनेर त्यो भक्ति पतिमा धरुन्. Which is him telling women कि your husband is also next to God. So please हैन. So please केटाहरु के यस्तो भइराको अहिले भगवान हो केटीहरु भरे घरमा देख्छस्. I totally disagree with this line. Oh, I don't think we are next to God, है ना? Because if my wife was kidnapped, है ना? If my wife is kidnapped and if she came back, I wouldn't ask her to go and jump in the fire, okay, to prove that she is pure, okay? That only gods do, men don't. Like if a girl was flirting with me, I wouldn't chop off her nose. That only gods do, men don't. Like if girls were bathing in the river, I wouldn't take away their clothes and leaving them wet and naked. That only gods do, men don't. Kavita ko feel hai, that only gods do, men don't. Now the next line of that poem is अर्काको घरमा नजानु कहिले. Women, are you listening? अर्काको घरमा नजानु कहिले, आफ्नै घरमा बसी जे हुनु सबै चीज जति छ घरमा कुना र कानी पसी. Which means girls, you don't have to go outside. Go home please. Whatever you need is right inside your house. Okay, which is amazing if you are an introvert and antisocial like me. Like if I were a woman and if my friend would call like, hey girl, I don't know why I think you girls talk to each other like this. Hey girl, come on, let's paint the town red. I'll be like, sorry bitch. My man Bhanubhakta has told me to be a good woman. And good women stay home and to save off their husbands. आते तो पहले कविता को बारे में आज ज्ञान क्या ज्ञान को next interesting line. सौताको रिस नगर्नु सौताको रिस गर्नु पाप छ. बहुत एकै दुवैका पति हो, आफ्नै ह्यान्डराइटिङ बुझ्नु छोड्यो। सौताको रिस गर्नु पाप छ, बहुत एकै दुवैको पति हो, मर्दा पनि जानुपर्छ जसले मिलेर सँगै सती। For those of you who did not understand, it means कि if your husband marries again, है ना, be friends with that other woman. A friendly reminder. Like, है ना, be friends with the other woman. Because when that husband dies, it is the both of you who has to sit on that funeral pyre together as satis. है ना, pure BFF goals हुन्छ नि। जिंदगी के साथ भी, जिंदगी के बाद भी। And now the last line and my favorite line, okay. हाँस्नु छैनन् कदापि नारीहरूले, हाँस्नु छैनन् कदापि नारीहरूले, वैश्या हुने हाँस्दछन्। Controversial. Do you guys know what a Vaishya is? Apparently it is someone who laughs. Which means every woman in this room today is a fucking prostitute. It's like who are we? Women. What did we do? We laughed. So what does that make us? Prostitutes? This can be a live meme actually. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, I'll just ask the question, you guys answer it. Okay, who are we? Women. What did we do? We laughed. So what does that make us? Prostitutes. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Who are we? What did we do? So what does that make us? Not again. So that was my time, guys. Thank you so much for being here. It's an amazing crowd. I've always wanted to do one thing because I've seen it like